Hello kids. Welcome to M&M Happy Kids channel.
Today, we are going to learn about vegetables. Vegetables are healthy and yummy.
Let's start. Potato.
Potato.
This is a potato. Potato. Tomato.
Tomato.
This is a tomato. Tomato. Onion.
Onion.
This is an onion. Onion. Carrot.
Carrot.
This is a carrot. Carrot. Cabbage.
Cabbage.
This is a cabbage. Cabbage. Cauliflower.
Cauliflower.
This is a cauliflower. Cauliflower. Beetroot.
Beetroot.
This is a beetroot. Beetroot. Radish.
Radish.
This is a radish. Radish. Broccoli.
Broccoli.
This is a broccoli. Broccoli. Pumpkin.
Pumpkin.
This is a pumpkin. Pumpkin. Cucumber.
Cucumber.
This is a cucumber. Cucumber. Zucchini.
Zucchini.
This is a zucchini. Zucchini. Capsicum.
Capsicum.
This is a capsicum. Capsicum. Green chili.
Green chili.
This is a green chili. Green chili. Red chili.
Red chili.
This is a red chili. Red chili. Eggplant.
Eggplant.
This is an eggplant. Eggplant. Red bell pepper.
Red bell pepper.
This is a red bell pepper. Red bell pepper. Yellow bell pepper.
Yellow bell pepper.
This is a yellow bell pepper. Yellow bell pepper. Ladyfinger.
Ladyfinger.
This is a ladyfinger. Ladyfinger. Green pea.
Green pea.
This is a green pea. Green pea. Lettuce.
Lettuce.
This is a lettuce. Lettuce. Turnip.
Turnip.
This is a turnip. Turnip. Spinach.
Spinach.
This is a spinach. Spinach. Corn.
Corn.
This is a corn. Corn. Sweet potato.
Sweet potato.
This is a sweet potato. Sweet potato. Ginger.
Ginger.
This is a ginger. Ginger. Garlic.
Garlic.
This is a garlic. Garlic. Celery.
Celery.
This is a celery. Celery. Leek.
Leek.
This is a leek. Leek. Mushroom.
Mushroom.
This is a mushroom. Mushroom. Fennel.
Fennel.
This is a fennel. Fennel. Kale.
Kale.
This is a kale. Kale. Coriander leaves.
Coriander leaves.
These are coriander leaves. Coriander leaves.
Mint leaves.
Mint leaves. These are mint leaves. Mint leaves. Curry leaves.
Curry leaves.
These are curry leaves. Curry leaves. Fenugreek leaves.
Fenugreek leaves.
This is a fenugreek leaves. Fenugreek leaves. Basil leaves.
Basil leaves.
These are basil leaves. Basil leaves. Rosemary leaves.
Rosemary leaves.
These are rosemary leaves. Rosemary leaves. Arugula.
Arugula.
This is an arugula. Arugula. Bok choy.
Bok choy.
This is a bok choy. Bok choy. Raw banana.
Raw banana.
This is a raw banana. Raw banana. Raw mango.
Raw mango.
This is a raw mango. Raw mango. White pumpkin.
White pumpkin.
This is a white pumpkin. White pumpkin. Brussels sprouts. Brussels sprouts. These are Brussels sprouts. Brussels sprouts. Butternut squash.
Butternut squash.
This is a butternut squash. Butternut squash. Yam.
Yam.
This is a yam. Yam. Asparagus.
Asparagus.
This is an asparagus. Asparagus. Artichoke.
Artichoke.
This is an artichoke. Artichoke. Drumstick.
Drumstick.
This is a drumstick. Drumstick. Spring onion.
Spring onion.
This is a spring onion.
Spring onion.
Bottle gourd.
Bottle gourd.
This is an bottle gourd. Bottle gourd. Bitter gourd.
Bitter gourd.
This is an bitter gourd. Bitter gourd. Ridge gourd.
Ridge gourd.
This is an ridge gourd. Ridge gourd. Apple gourd.
Apple gourd.
This is an apple gourd. Apple gourd. Snake gourd.
Snake gourd.
This is an snake gourd. Snake gourd. Ash gourd.
Ash gourd.
This is an ash gourd. Ash gourd. French beans.
French beans.
This is a French beans. French beans. Cluster beans.
Cluster beans.
This is a cluster beans. Cluster beans. Lotus root.
Lotus root.
This is an lotus root. Lotus root. Red cabbage.
Red cabbage.
This is a red cabbage. Red cabbage. Chayote.
Chayote.
This is a chayote. Chayote. Collard greens.
Collard greens.
These are collard greens. Collard greens. Pointed gourd.
Pointed gourd.
This is an pointed gourd. Pointed gourd. Parsnip.
Parsnip.
This is a parsnip. Parsnip. Red onion.
Red onion.
This is a red onion. Red onion. Endive.
Endive.
This is an endive. Endive. Napa cabbage.
Napa cabbage.
This is a Napa cabbage. Napa cabbage. Edamame.
Edamame.
This is an edamame. Edamame. Jicama.
Jicama.
This is a jicama. Jicama. Kohlrabi.
Kohlrabi.
This is a kohlrabi. Kohlrabi.
Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe, like, and share.